The Sonos Beam Gen 2 is a sleek and powerful soundbar designed to elevate your home audio experience with stunning clarity and immersive sound. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in description below for pricing details and availability of this soundbar. This device delivers vibrant bass and crystal clear dialogue that brings movies, shows, and music to life with remarkable depth and precision. Equipped with Dolby Atmos technology, it creates a dynamic 3D surround sound effect, filling your room with panoramic audio that immerses you completely. Beyond just enhancing your TV sound, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 lets you stream music, radio, podcasts, and audiobooks effortlessly from your favorite services even when the TV is off. Its versatile control options include the intuitive Sonos app, your TV remote, Apple AirPlay 2, and voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it incredibly convenient to use. Setting up this soundbar is straightforward, requiring only 2 cables and guided step-by-step by the Sonos app, which also features smart Trueplay tuning to optimize the sound based on your room's unique acoustics. Another standout feature is the ability to expand your Sonos system over time, allowing you to build a full surround sound setup or enjoy multi-room listening seamlessly. All components connect over Wi-Fi, eliminating the clutter of wires and enabling smooth integration. With its modern black finish and compact shelf mount design, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 fits stylishly into any living space. Overall, it's a highly rated product that combines cutting-edge audio technology with user-friendly functionality, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a premium soundbar experience.